We will solve cumulative assessment number 25 to lessons 12 and 13 on unit 5. Question number 1. Complete. Letter A. 2.16 divided by 7.2 equal space divided by space equal space. In this example, we must convert from decimal number to whole number because the divisor here decimal. We must convert the divisor to whole numbers by multiplication by 10. So you must multiplication by 10, numerator and denominator about two numbers. Here multiplication by 10 and this number multiplication by 10. Okay, and here multiplication by 10. The result here will be 1.6 and here will be 72. Okay, and then you can find the result by using a long division between two numbers. Write this number here, 21.6 divided by 72. 2 less than this number with 0. 21 less than 72 with again 0. And then put point. 216 divided by 72. You must disappear one digit by one digit here. It will be 21 divided by 7 equal 3. So must find the result by multiplication by 3 here in the draft. Write 72 times 3. 2 times 3 equals 6 and 3 times 7 equals 21. It's exactly numbers. So you can write 3 outside here and 216 and then find the difference. So the result will be what? 0.3. It will be 3/10. Okay. Question letter P. We have the same example like question letter A. We have here 8.9 divided by 3.5 equal space divided by space. First, we must convert the divisor here from decimal number to whole number. Multiplication by 10, numerator and denominator. This number, multiplication by 10, we can write 88 and write 9 here. The result will be 89. And this number times 10 will be 35. It will be 889 divided by 35. 8 divided by 35, we can't do it with 0. And 88 divided by 35 equal 2. 2 times 35 equals 7. It's nearest to 88. 8 and 8 minus 7 equal 1. Then drop 9 here. 189 divided by 35. We can find the result here. Thinking with me about letter B. Can you tell me the result? Okay. Disappear one digit by one digit. And 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 times this number will be greater than 189. Then you can multiplication by 5. 35 times 5. 5 times 5 equal 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 3 times 5 equal 15. 15 plus 2 equals 17. 175. Write 5 out here and 175. Find the difference. 9 minus 5 equal 4. 8 minus 7 equal 1. And then you must put point here and 0 to complete this example. Put point side and then drop the next digit here down 140. 140 divided by 35, we know 35 times what? Equals this number, 35 multiplication by 4. Because 35 times 5 times 2 equals 70. And 35 times 4 equal 140. Then 35 times 4 equal what? 4 times 5 equal 20, write 0 and carry up 2. 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 plus 2 equal 14. The result is 140. Write 4 outside here. Okay, then the result here it will be 25 and 4/10. Okay, 25 and 4/10. Letter C, you won't find the dividend. We know the dividend equals the divisor multiplication by the quotient. Letter C, space here, divided 0.1 equal 0.8 and 4. To find this number in the dividend, the multiplication of two numbers here. To find the dividend, write 84 hundredths times 0.1. you must move the point to left hand side by one digit, because your multiplication by 1/10 is meaning divided by 1 by 10. Divided by 10, move the point to left hand side by one digit. Come here, write 0, 84.0. The result would be 84 thousandth. 84 thousandth. Question letter D. In this example, 2 divided by 3/10 is approximated to the nearest hundredth. Okay, first we can find the result between two numbers here to convert the divisor to whole numbers by multiplication, 10 numerator and numerator. 2 divided by 0.3 approximating to the nearest what? Nearest tenths, or hundredth to the nearest hundredth. First, we can write 2 over 0.3 and then multiplication by 10 numerator and numerator. 2 times 10 equal 20 and 3/10 times 10 equal 3. Then 20 divided by 3, we can find the result and convert 20 over 3 to decimal number by using long division between two numbers. 20 divided by 3 and then put point and 3 0 behind it. Why? Because you won't find the result to nearest what? Nearest hundredths. You must put 3 zeros behind the point to find approximately to the nearest hundredths. Look at with me about steps here. 20 divided by 3 equal what? We know to less than, and 20 divided by 3 equal 8 or 7. No, it's greater than, but 3 times 6 equal 18. It's nearest 2. And then 20 subtracted by 18 equal 2, and then put the point out and then drop the next digit here 0. 20 again divided by 3 equals 6 again. 3 times 6 equal 18, and then subtract between 2 and then drop the 0 here. 12 by 20 divided by 3 equals 6 again, and then 3 times 6 equal 18. The difference between equal 2, and then we can drop 0 here. It will be 20 divided by 3 again equal 6, because 3 times 6 equal 18. It's nearest 2. Okay, stop. Why? Because he won't approximate to this number to the nearest hundredth. Where hundredth here? Hundredth here is 6. 6 is the rich digits. Can give 1 to left hand side. The result will be 6.6 and 7. Okay, you must pay attention about these tips. The result will be 6.6 and 7. Understood? Okay, next question. Letter E. 4.25 divided by 8.5. The result 4.25 over 8.5. We must convert 8.5, the divisor here, converted from decimal number to whole number by multiplication by 10, numerator and denominator. The divisor must be right in the whole numbers without point. Look at the point here, the point after one digit. So you must multiplication by 10 numerator and numerator to cancel this point. The result here will be 85. And up here in numerator, we calculate for 2.5. And then you can complete the steps by find the quotient here. 4 divided this number to less than, 42 less than, and 425 divided by 85 equal what? Thinking with me about this number. You can clear digit by digit, and 42 divided by 8, the nearest here, 5 times 8 equal what? 5 times 8 equal 40. It's nearest 2. So 85, I will multiply it by 5. 5 times 5 equal 25, right? 5 and carry up 2. 5 times 8 equal 40. 40 plus 2 equal 42. The result here 425. Write out here 5 and 425, the difference here. So the result will be 0.5. Okay. Next question. Question letter F. It's a famous question, okay? 39 days equal space approximating to the nearest days. We can divide it by 7 because 1 day equals 7 days. Write 7 here, and 7 times 5 equals 35, and the remainder 4. And then we can approximate this number to whole number. You know the rule or not? We can find half of the denominator here. Half of 7 equals 3.5. And the numerator here, 4, is greater than 3.5. Then it's nearest to 6. Because the numerator is greater than half of the numerator. Then 5 and 4 over 7 is approximating to 6 days. Understood? 39 days approximated to days will be 6 days. 39 divided by 7. Why? Because 1 week equal space days. 1 week equal 7 days. So 39 days equal 6 weeks. Okay? Approximating from days to week divided by 7. Because 1 week equals 7 days. Okay, next question number 2. Find the quotient of each of the following. Letter E, 2.6 and 7 divided by 1.2. We have here 2.6 and 7 and 1.2 multiplication by 10, numerator and denominator. You must move the point right hand side, it will be 12, and here 26.7. Use long division, 26.7 divided by 12. 2 divided by 12, we can't do it. 26 divided by 12 equal 2. 2 times 12 equal 24, and the difference between them equal 2. Put the point and then drop 7 here. 27 divided by 12 equals 2. Or what? 2 times 12 equal 24. Okay, it's nearest 2. And then difference between them 3. Then drop 7. 37 divided by 12 equals 3. 3 times 12 equals 36. It's nearest 2. Okay. We will put 0 here, and then 30 divided by 12 equal what? 2 times 12 equal 24. 30 minus 24 equals 6. And then put 0 again here, and then drop 0. 60 divided by 12 equal 5. 5 times 12 equals 60. Then the result here, it will be 2 and 225 thousandths. 2 and 225 thousandths. Four and 384 divided by 32 hundredths. You can write this number in the numerator 32 hundredths. Write 4.38 and 4 and 0.3 and 2 multiplication by 100 numerator and denominator to simplify this number. It will here 32 and upright 438.4. Move the point right hand side by 2 digits. Using long division, write 438.4 over 32. 43 divided by this number, we put here 0 and 1 times this number, it will be 32. Okay, be here. 3 minus 2 equal 1 and 4 minus 3 equal 1, and then drop 8 here. 118 divided by 2, the nearest number will be what? 3 times 3 equal 9, nearest 2. Write 3 here, and 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equal 9. The difference between two numbers, 8 minus 6 equal 2, and 11 minus 9 equal 2. Put the point up, and then drop 4 here. Clear digits by digits. 22 divided by 3 equals 7, because 3 times 7 equal 21, raised to 22. Multiplication by 7 here. 2 times 7 equal 14, 4 and the carry up 1. 3 times 7 equal 21 plus 1 equal 22. Then the result here will be 13 and 7 tenths. 13 and 7 tenths. Question letter C. 8 divided by 7 to the nearest tenths. We know 8 divided by 7. Here, write 8 and 7, the dividend and divisor. 8 divided by 7, write 1 and put double 0 behind it because you want to find the result to approximate into tenths. Write double zero behind the point. 1 times 7 equals 7. The difference between them 1, and then put point up and 0 down here. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7 equals 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3, and then drop the next digits here, 30. 30 divided by 7 equals 4. 4 times 7 equals 28. The difference between them, it will be 2. Don't write here. We want to find this number to approximating to the nearest tenses. This is here 1. It will be 1.1. Okay. Letter D. 7.4 divided by 5.1 to the nearest hundredth. First step, you must cancel the point here by multiplication by 10 numerator and denominator. It will be 74 and here 71. Okay, and then we can find the result by long division. Right here 74 and put double 0 or 3 zeros here and 51. 7 divided number less than, right, 0, and 74 divided 51 equal 1. 1 times 51 equal 51. 4 minus 1 equal 3. 7 minus 5 equal 2, and then write a point here, and then drop the next digit, 0. 230 divided by this number, disappear one digit by one digit, and 23 divided by 5 equal 4, because 4 times 5 equal 20. Write 4 here. 4 times 1 equal 4, and 4 times 5 equal 20. Write the difference, it will be 2 and 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 2 minus 0 equal 2, and then drop 0 here. It will be 260 divided by this number. Who can tell me the result here? Disappear by digit by one digit, and 26 divided by 5, it will be 5, because 5 times 5, 25, raised to 26. Write 5 out here, and 5 times 1 equal 5, 5 times 5 equal 25, and then 5, there's a difference between them, it will be 5. Okay, the result here 1.45, and then drop the next digits here, 50. 50 divided by 51 equals 0, because 50 less than 51, and then you can approximate this number to the nearest what, 100th here 5. 0 can't give 1, so the result will be 1.4 and 5. It's the result 1 and 45 hundredth. Next question number 3, choose the correct answer. We have here 80 divided by 800th. Question letter A. 80 divided by 0.08. We can write 80 up and 0.08 in the denominator. We can find the result by multiplication by 100 numerator and denominator. 80 and double 0 behind it, so the result will be 1000. Okay, question letter P. 30 and 24 hundredths divided 3.6. We can find the result by multiplication by 10 numerator and denominator first to convert the divisor here from decimal number to whole number. 30.24 over 3.6 numerator and denominator, it will be 36, and here move the point, it will be 30, and write 2 and the point and 4. Okay, and then okay, he won't find the operation here. Okay, we can write 302.4 divided by 36. Question letter B, choose letter P. The result will be letter B. Okay, understood? It's the result about this question. Question letter C, the value of 4 in the number here. 4 here lies in thousandth. So the value about digits 4, it will be 4,000th. 4,000th. Question letter C will be 4,000th. It's very easy for you, because 4 here in this number 72 and 14,000th, 4 lies in thousandth. You want to find the value of the digit 4 in the number. Question letter D, the prime factorization of 6. 6, we know 6 equal to multiplication by 3. The factorization here will be letter B. Choose letter B about question D. Question letter E, 3,200 Milliliter, we convert to liter by divided by 1000. Okay, we know liter and milliliter is a unity of capacity. Divided by 1000 to convert from milliliter to liter. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. You can find the result by divided by 1000. So the result will be 3.200, and we can cancel 00 here. So the result will be 3.2 liter. Okay, converted from milliliter to liter divided by 1000. Which letter F? 3012 divided by 12 equal 251. Then 251 multiplication of equal what? We can find multiplication to numbers. It will be what? Get this number again. It will be, it's exactly numbers. Okay, the dividend here 3012 thousandth. 3012 thousandth letter F. It shows letter B. Now word problems here. Question number 4. Pay attention about word problems, okay, my students? Omnia has two strips of cloth. One is 25 centimeters width, and the other is 45 centimeter width. She wants to cut both pieces into strips of equal widths that are as wide as possible. How should she cut the strips? Do you have to find the risk factor of less communication or less communication? What is the answer about this example? We must find about this example the height common factor or greatest common factor between two numbers 25 and 45. Okay, so the greatest common factor between two numbers 25 and 45 equal 5. So the width equal what? 5 centimeter. Okay, pay attention about steps. Why 5 is the greatest common factor? Because we know 25. Look at with me about steps. I will use by using this method, the Venn diagram. Okay. Question number 4. We have here 25 equal 5 by 5, and we have 45 equal 5 by 9, and 9 equal 3 by 3, and then we can write 25 here equal 5 by 5, and 45 equal 5 by 3, and then circle the common numbers between them. Here it will be 5. So the greatest common factor between them, it will be what? 5. So we can write this word. I have to find what? Greatest common factor. The greatest common factor between numbers here, it will be 5. So the width equal 5 centimeter. The width equal 5 centimeter. Okay. Last question, number 5. Ahmed had 300 pounds to spend on new clothes. Again, Ahmed has 300 pounds to spend on new clothes. If they both 12 pair of socks for 18 pounds per, how much money will he have left to spend? Okay, price of socks. We can find the first price of socks. He paid what? Ahmed has 300 pounds and he spent of new clothes. He put 12 pair of socks for 18 pounds. So we can find the first step here, price of socks. Okay. He put 12 pair and each pair for 18. We can write 18 times 12. 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 and the carry of 1. 1 times 2 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3. Write 0. 1 times 18 equal 18. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 8 plus 3 equal 11. 1 and the carry of 1 equal 2. The result will be 216. 216 what? Pounds. And the next step, the lift. We can find what? The lift money equal, we can write 300 subtract by 260. We can write 0 minus 6, we can't do it, borrow 1, it will be 2, and here 9 and 10. 10 minus 6 equal 4, 9 minus 1 equal 8, and 2 minus 9 minus 1 equal 8, and 2 minus 2 equal 0. Then the remainder with him, or the left money with him, will be 84 pounds. Okay,